I mean, you're here next week, Michael Jackson week. Now, even though there's long hair and a beard going on, you entered Michael Jackson competitions when you were a kid, didn't you?
Yeah, mate. Every single one of them. I won out a lookalike competition once.
You won a Michael Jackson lookalike?
Yeah.
Well, you're white enough, so...
Yeah, well, that's right. Yeah.
That's probably go. What about, we often see here at Idol, we see Wes backstage getting some moves on. Have a quick look at this.
Oh, really?
Oh, yeah. That was... And I'd like to thank James for those sound effects there. He did them all with his mouth, which was very interesting. Are you going to bust out some moves next week?
I may do. Oh, it was meant to be a surprise.
Oh, really?
Yeah, anyway. Righto. Yep. Done.
Oh, how about a bit now?
Oh, no, we'll wait till next week.
Come on, Wes.
Okay,
Don't be shy. Up you get.
I need my hat.
You need a hat. Hang on, there's a hat down here. Hold on. Nice car. Pulling that one out of the box.
Jeez, I hope you got something in the tank for next week. I hope you haven't peaked too early.
Well.
So there we go. Chrislyn,
Yeah.
you're having a lot of fun on the show. Now, you had a ball